Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Experian credit freeze and PIN recovery, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Experian website. On the homepage, look for the option related to credit freeze. Click on Freeze Your Credit to access the relevant section. You will be prompted to log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the instructions to register and verify your identity. Once logged in, locate the option to place a credit freeze. Fill out the required personal information as prompted. Review the information carefully to ensure accuracy. After confirmation, submit your request for a credit freeze. You will receive a confirmation message once the freeze is active. Now, let's proceed to recover your PIN if needed. Return to the Experian homepage. Look for the Recover Your PIN option. Click on the link to start the PIN recovery process. You will be asked to verify your identity again. Enter the required information as prompted. If you remember your security questions, answer them accordingly. If you do not remember your PIN, there should be an option to recover it. Follow the on-screen instructions to obtain a new PIN. Make sure to save your new PIN in a secure place. Once you have your PIN, you can manage your credit freeze status as needed. If you encounter any issues, visit the customer support section for assistance. Revisit Experian whenever you need to add, lift, or remove a credit freeze. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.